Hi, my name is Glenn Scott, the painter, here in Sun City, Arizona. I'm going to do a demo today on painting over tape. Because as we all know, in most cases it doesn't work. You always get bleed through under the tape. So I'm going to do a demo and show you how to do it the right way. First, the wrong way, then I'm going to do the right way. So we're going to do a typical blue tape. We're going to do it on this edge here. This is where the paint color is going to be. So when you get your tape on, you want to make sure that the side that the paint's going to cover, you want that to be tight. There we go. Then the green. Blue and the green. The blue. Make sure that edge is tight. The green. Now how the correct way to do this is with clear caulk along this tape edge. You want to put a bead of caulk along that edge. This is clear caulk and it's DAP caulk. You can get it at any Home Depot, Lowe's, anywhere. Anyway, you put a bead of caulk, clear caulk, along that edge. And you take it, you make sure the edge of that tape is sealed with the caulk. Again, this is the correct way to do it. If you ever go into a home and you see a nice straight line on like a bull nose, this is how they did it, not like this. This is how you get your perfect edge with that clear caulk. Make sure that edge is sealed with the caulk, that tape edge. Sealed really good with the caulk. So you get your perfect line. Now blue. See what happens. First, without the tape, I'll be showing you on TV. As you can see, there's bleed over. There's bleed through. Even with the frog tape. See the bleed over? Now with the blue, with the caulk, perfectly straight line. Look, I pulled off some texture. Anyway, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about with your perfect straight line. I'll zoom in so you can see. Okay, we'll look at the tape without the caulk on it first. The blue here. And as you can see, it bled through. There's overbleed behind the tape. This happens almost every time to everybody. And if you've done this, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That's the blue with no caulking. And here's the right, or the green. The right edge is the edge that was supposed to be sealed. The green really bleeds over. Look at that. It's terrible. On the right side there, that's supposed to be nice. But it never works. Now, with the caulk on the edge, here's the blue. And as you can see, it works. The caulk provided the seal necessary to do the straight line. And again, anytime you see a nice straight line on the edge of a bull-nosed area, on the edge of bull-nose, this is what they did. They used caulk to get their line. Look at that. Perfect. Anyway,